Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I've been missing wigs, so I have these braids, but the thing is, they're, as you can see, I've been sleeping on them and they ain't really it no more. So they're quite flat anyways, and I have some random curly wig, so with curly wigs you don't really need the flattest base, so we're good. I be finessing wigs. That's why it looks like this right now, but let's see what it looks like on. Giving. So if you want to see me transform, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more like this. If you like hair videos like this, subscribe.
Oh, is it? You saucy.
But I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time will make enough time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having it, that is on take you there. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We ain't having it, that is on take you there.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, bouncing off and I'm trying to weep an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, got see yours out, got me beat by Verona, out bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving out the nest. Get 5 face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Herman's and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me taste the cat. One of them niggas who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just called me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
But you can't get better.
This is the final result. It doesn't take me that long, to be honest. I'm a finesser. I love to finesse a good old wig from, I'm not sure where this hair is from. It's probably from Beauty Forever or something, one of those websites. When I do get a new, when I do get some new hair, I will obviously link it down below for you. But finesse series with what I've got here, so hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, I will see you in another video.